Hello, this is Patrick White with your Monday, August 17th morning market update. Grain markets are significantly higher here to start the day. On the overnight here, we've got December corn up 3 3/4 cents at 341 and 3/4. November soybeans are up 8 cents here at 906 and 3/4. The corn market is higher here overnight as traders continue to cover shorts to start the week. Traders have been covering shorts here ever since last week's WASDE report that was less bearish than what the market had expected. Couple that with the hot and dry forecast for the next 2 weeks here, and we've got a recipe for short covering here this week. In addition, traders are also with the expectation of lower crop ratings and lower yield going forward. Lower crop ratings are expected here this afternoon for a large part of Iowa after last week's derecho storm roiled central Iowa and east central Iowa. December corn is targeting the 343 and 3/4 gap level here today, and that gap level was left on July 10th, so we'll see if we can give that a test and fill that in here today or tomorrow. Soybeans are higher here this morning. Traders are continuing to keep the market bid here on the dry weather and the expectation of stronger export demand in the near future. Last week we finished on Friday with the 8th consecutive day of Chinese export sale announcements. China has been crushing soybeans at a faster rate than anticipated due to their faster than expected hog herd regrowing after the dive it took from African swine fever here last year. Traders are optimistic that the U.S. can be the main supplier to China and pick up the majority of that demand between now and the fall harvest season. Traders will need to see strong exports continue to show up in order to remain so positive, and right now that has not been an issue. And another thing to note as well, this has been one of the times that China has been able to buy the majority of their soybeans below the $8 futures level, and that is pretty significant here as well. So we'll see if that can correlate into some more demand. And one more news item here for soybeans. Over the weekend, the U.S. and China trade officials were set to meet on a video conference, and they actually postponed that here until a later date, and no details there. So that's all I've got for today. Have a productive day out there, and remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606.